The state of Florida, Alaska, and Texas versus the CDC. This current lawsuit that we are all waiting for an answer for to find out which way the judge is going to rule, and the verdict is in. Hey everyone, Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So last week, the state of Florida, Alaska, and Texas went to court in a lawsuit against the CDC last Wednesday in an attempt to get an injunction for the immediate resumption of cruising. And now we've been waiting all week long for the judge to set down the ruling and let us know what he decided. And that ruling has come down. We have heard opinions from both sides. I've seen a lot of people think that there's no way this is going to work. The judge is not going to rule in favor of the states over the CDC. And then I've also heard the other side that says the CDC has overreached. It's overstepped its authority. There is no way the judge will side with the CDC. And in the end, he sided with neither. So Judge Stephen D. Merryday issued a written ruling that says the CDC and Florida must meet together in mediation and participate in it prior to June the 1st, 2021. And there you have it. Will anything come out of mediation? I have no idea. But it does mean we are waiting again for them to go through the next step, of course, being mediation, and see if they can get anywhere with that. All right, so this is just a quick video to let you guys know what the ruling was. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.